Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY has moved in the last week, how this can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, what we have seen, it has already made a low of around 1.0251, and if you look at the chart, what we can see that there is a swing forming at this particular level, okay, 1.23175, okay, and it is continuously down from that side and made a low of around $0.996, okay. And now what we can see, it has, if it level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards 1.01, and after making this particular low 0.99353, we can see it can fall further or can go upside if the level this support particular breaks. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can move to a level of 1.03617. Any doubt regarding this? Okay, before we move forward, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and a telegram link also I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, suppose if this level sustain 1.035 towards a level of 10.5139, and from there we can see a level of 1.07880. Suppose if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1.12448, and from there we can see it can go further high. Okay, you have to understand something, that the trend will change if the price goes above a level of 1.12, okay, 1.10, then we can see a level of 1.12448, and suppose if that level also goes upside, then we can see it can move further high. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, it can touch a level of 0.99, and from there we can see a level of 0.96917. okay. Once that level also goes down, and this 0.96 is a weak support, so probability is high, we can see it can move further down, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 0.94177. okay. Now if we talk about USD CAD, what we have seen, that USD CAD is currently in an uptrend. If we look at from 2021, now trading currently at around 129.155. suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 129.665, and if that level also goes upside, then we can see a level of $130.775. okay. And these resistance which has already been weak, so probability is high, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1.29335, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 130. okay. Now suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go to a level of 1.28676, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1.2851. suppose if that level also goes downside, then we can see a level of 1.27976, okay, and from there we can see it can move further down, okay, a level of 1.26577, and if this level goes downside, then we can see a level of 1.24619, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1.23, and then we can see further down. But if we talk about USD CHF, if we look at the chart of USD CHF, we can see a trend towards an upside is there from 2021, okay, and a swing is there. So suppose if this level sustain, which is currently trading around 0.96144, so what we can see, it can touch a level of, and it has already made a high of around 1.06. suppose if this level sustain, then we can see a level of 0.96599, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 0.97661. okay. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see a level of 0.97661, and from there we can see a level of 0.98052. okay. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.99082, and from there we can see a level of 0.9880. suppose if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1.0067, and from there we can see it can move to a level of 1.02019. okay. Now suppose if this level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $0.99 and $0.95, and from there we can see a level of $0.94699. okay. Once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 0.94531, and from there we can see a level of $0.93805. okay. Once the price didn't sustain that particular level also, a probability of going further down towards a level of 0.92799 is there, and once this level goes down, then we can see it can move further. You have to understand that it is moving further down. But if we talk about USD JPY, I have already told you that JPY has already made a new highs, okay. Suppose if and made a low of around 97, you can see. Okay, it has, if we look at this particular swing, what we have seen, it made a low high of around 137, okay, 0.066, and the second high we can see at around 139. Okay, after that what we have seen, our downfall has come in the price of USD JPY. Now it is currently trading at around 136.06. Suppose if this level sustain, then we can see a level 139 also. But if suppose if this level didn't sustain a level 136, a probability is high, we can see it can move further down towards a level 134.646, and from there we can see a level 131.26. and if that level also didn't sustain, a probability of touching 128.40 is high, and from there we can see a level of 126.35. okay, suppose if the level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down because a range will break downside, so probability is high. We can see the price of USD JPY can go further low. Okay, you have to if you have any doubt, you can mail me regarding that. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new